Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun Sassy with Coffee. I'm Marina, Brooklyn's behind the camera again.
Hey.
This is part 2 to the BookOutlet and ChristianBook.com haul. So this one's not as big as the other one, and yes, I'm wearing the same thing because we're doing this video the same day. So let's get busy. Sorry, it's a lot of paper. Alright, so this is a continuation. These are resources for the new school year. This is the Thrifty Guide to the Stop! She's laughing at me. The Thrifty Guide to the American Revolution. Oh, okay, so this is the different one. A handbook for time travelers. That's why it was confusing. This one, I think this one is color. Is it a graphic novel? No, it's not. So it's a little different than the other one they gave me. Oh, okay, so this one has color. The other one is like more black and white. So I like this. I like the hardcover. The other one was soft. Okay. This one, oh gosh, I can't even say this name. I think it's Gaidin, American Prisoner of War. It's a graphic novel by Matt Faulkner. He's on the Golden Gate Bridge. So it's, let me see. Yeah, so it's a graphic novel. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So these pictures are awesome. Whoa. I like that. So that's going to be fun for our history. Then this one is a picture book. It's called Picturing America. These are pictures of all across the country, different places. I like that. That's really cool. I like the pictures. This one is A Redesigned Life, Uncovering God's Purpose When Life Doesn't Go as Planned. Woo! Can we relate this past year? So it's just, this is for me, not for her. So. Okay, and then this is another thrifty guide. This one is to Ancient Rome, a handbook for time travelers. This is the soft cover. I like the hard cover better. So yeah, these are black and white. And more books. Who was Sojourner Truth? I can never say her name. Who was Rosa Parks? What was the March on Washington? What is the Declaration of Independence?
It's supposed to be Thomas Jefferson.
Can you see it?
Okay, his chin. Okay.
I know, he looks kind of funny.
Get it, I guess.
And then you got Benjamin Franklin. Look at that long face. Scary. And then, oh, so this one has a tag on it from somewhere. I'm going to try and take it off because it's blocking my view of, let me take it off. Okay. And what were the Twin Towers?
It says Walmart.
Yeah. See, and I only paid like $2 and change. I don't know what it is. Okay, so that's it for box 1. These are just resources for the school year, for this upcoming school year. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in this box. And then this box this does have some curriculum in it and a lot of the resources that go with it. Here's the receipt. So this goes to our history that we're doing this year. Let me make sure if there's anything else. Yeah, the history that we're doing this year, which is Mystery of History, Creation to the Resurrection, Volume 1. So these are books that went with it. Celebrating the biblical feast in your home or church. So this talks about the different feasts throughout the Bible talks about, and customs and what they do and how they celebrate. This is the Rand McNally Historical Atlas of the World. This is part of what she needs. So, it's an atlas, different parts of the world. And then the Student Bible Atlas. So this has 30 updated full color maps from Abraham to the early church. And because we're studying creation to the resurrection, let's see what's in here. So this is an introduction, and then the map. Let's see. Look how cool. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob as doing their time. That's going to be fun. And then let's see what else is in here. Why are more Bible readers choosing? Okay. Oh, this is just a pamphlet they sent me. That's from ChristianBook. Okay, so these are the timelines. The history through the ages, historical timeline figures. This is Homeschool in the Woods. So these are just, I'm not going to open them now. I will do a flip through of all the curriculum we're going to be doing later on. So these are just the timeline figures that we just cut up, and they're black and white, that go with the creation to the resurrection book that we will put in her timeline book. And then this is also something we're going to use as a resource. It's called City. David Macaulay makes some great books. A Story of Roman Planning and Construction. And so the pictures are all black and white, but they have so much information and lots of cool. Look at that. Okay. And the last book, yeah, because these are just. The last book it's going in our morning basket. It's by Ken Ham. It's called One Blood for Kids, What the Bible Says About Race. And I thought this was an amazing book to talk about with the kids. And let's show pictures. So these are really, really, really cool. Okay. Wow. So it just goes through the history from the beginning about the different cultures. So it gives you recognizing humanity, the history. So those pictures. How God created us all. So that goes in our morning basket. So we have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is the Christian book haul. So we are officially, well, I'm officially done with my curriculum for the year. Hey, you can clap, yay! Alright.
Yay.
So that was it. If you guys enjoyed that, or you want to know some more information about any of these things that I shared, whether it was curriculum or the book outlet haul, just go ahead and comment below. Hit the like, subscribe button, and we will definitely be doing more videos like this. So, and if there's any videos, I don't know, that you want me or Brooklyn to do, or you would like to share, what kind of videos do you want us to do? You can go ahead and put that also in the comments below. So, I think that's it. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.